ready? Okay, give Chinag high five. High five. Very good. What is your name? My name is Nguyet. How are you today? I'm happy. Yes, happy. Very good. Give Chinag high five. Sit down, my dear. Sit down. Okay, high five. Very good. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, what is it? It's a shirt. Shirt. It's a ja jacket. It's a sweater. These are pants. Okay, now, wait. Where is the shirt? Shirt. Where are the pants? Pants. Where are the socks? Socks. Okay, where is the jacket? Jacket. Where's the jacket? Jacket. And where's the sweater? No, you have sweater. Where is the sweater? Sweater. Oh, yeah. Come here. Look here, my dear. Let's sing. Shirt and sweater. Shirt and sweater. Yes, okay, look here. What is it? It's an egg. It's a bird. It's a fe. Oh, feather. Oh no. It's a nest. Uh-oh. Okay, where is the egg? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, where's the egg? Egg. This is the egg. And where is the feather? Feather. Okay, my dear. Where's the egg? Egg. The egg. Okay, wait, that's the end of our test. Oh, bird. Bird. Okay, that's the end of our test. High five. Goodbye.